Hello guys. Today I would like to explain about what is COTS. There was one term called COTS. Okay, like it means before going for COTS, like in DO170 with respect to the that product is DO170. Generally, we'll talk if you are developing some system, there must be as per the standard depending upon the application. If you are using for some normal purpose like use and throw purpose, then there is no need of for the standardized center. But in case if you are preferring for the long term application, uh, we'll look for directly. I will come to the concept. Okay. So generally, if you are developing on embedded software, especially I wanted to say about this avionics domain. Okay, aerospace application. If you are developing some system for avionics domain, okay, so our product is going to use it into the air. Actually, it is like aerospace application. Okay, so which is used for the aircraft like combat purpose or travel purpose or whatever purpose let it be like it. See, as a embedded system, if you are developing, generally embedded is nothing but like as we know, it is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, one system if you are preparing means it must having a software and hardware. Okay, so for example, if you take DO170 and D0254, okay, DO254, these two it gives these are the main major standards which you are preferring for an avionics domain especially. Actually, okay, if you are developing any embedded system, okay, in for the avionics purpose, avionics nothing but just like aviation electronics. Okay, so which is used for aerospace application, so that must be used for in DO170 standard or DO254 standard. Okay, that products will call it as a COTS. Okay, generally I will come to the point now. What is COTS? COTS is nothing but commercial of the self. Okay, if you are developing some embedded system or any other system, if you are developing, the system is the product is there are different category we can classify according to the product sale. Okay, some of product it is used for the commercial COTS they will tell. Some product is MOTS they will tell. It is modified and modifiable of the self. Okay, other one is GOTS. GOTS nothing but government of the self. NOTS not or noisy of the self they will tell. Okay, so if with respect of in DO170 products D0254 for hardware. Okay, so what is the term it seems called COTS means commercial of the self. Commercial of the self is nothing but if you it is like that objective term it is describes like that if you are developing on software, okay, like for example you are developed on avionics software. Okay, you take hardware or software as per the standards D170 or D0254 for hardware standards you had developed that ready made and available for the sale to the general purpose. Okay, so anyone if you require some avionics system in the market you can buy and you can use for that. It is like general public, that is why it is called COTS product. Okay, so as per DO170 standard or D0254, actually DO170 it is for software products, D0254 for hardware part with respect to DO with respect to aviation application. I am saying, okay, for the avionics application for aerospace. Okay, so in this embedded software, embedded system will be used as a generic public. That is why it is called COTS. See, if I am going to start, if I am going to manufacture one aircraft, okay, so generally I want to buy some software or hardware, whatever, or embedded system as per which is for the good airworthy software, airworthy system. In that case, so this is COTS product they will call. If you what are COTS product is available in market, you can see. So I will go and buy it from there. Especially the COTS products are licensed and it was sell it from the RTC, Radio Technical Communication, Federal Aviation Agency, FAA, Federal Aviation Agency from US team. They already pre-designed for the aerospace application. Okay, so easily I can buy it from that. And especially our Indian industry for DRDO industry or some specific industry for aerospace manufacturing OEM company, so they will buy from their product and that products we can call it as a COTS. No, I hope you may understand what is COTS. Okay, and also just aware of what is MOTC and GOTs, NOTS. These are the product that different categorized will sell into the market. Okay, so general public products are COTs. Whoever required for any application they can buy. This is called COTs, like commercial of the self they will tell. Another one is modified or modifiable. Either you can call it as MOTS, you can call it as a modified or modifiable of the self. Okay, of the self, that is abbreviated, that objective verb. So here this is what is the MOTS concept. MOTS concept is nothing but just purchaser. If I am buying from the vendor or buyer from the OEM, okay, or third party vendor, whoever will buy. So you will buy the product from them, they will easily modify. Okay, that is called modify or modifiable MOTS, they will tell. But so sometimes the buyer or vendor, they will be get panic in case if you modify the source code. If you modify it, then if it is not working, they will be getting the trouble. Okay, so this kind of products called MOTS, they will tell. Another one is government of self, GOTS. GOTS only the specifically they will use for only government purpose. It will not go to. And also it will be designed by government employees only. GOTS product they will tell. Okay, so our Indians, they will use different type of standards like COTS, MOTS, GOTS, NOTS. These are all the design pattern which the systems will get from the outside. Okay, for the different application, as I'm having experience for this embedded software in aerospace application. So just I want to say about this in DO254 or D0254 products like embedded avionics application software, they will tell as a COTS product. Now, as I hope you may understand what is COTS. It's great to talk to you. Thank you very much. And also NOTS, also the NATO or Niji of the self. There is another term. So these are the type, like generally products are different types available. COTS, MOTS, GOTS, NOTS. In case of confusion, I'll be you can ask me question into the YouTube. Okay, this will be I will be posting to YouTube. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for passion to listen. Thank you very much. Bye.